In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell Bitcoin with Western Union. First of all, make sure that you head for paxful.com. After doing so, you can also access the app on your App Store or Play Store. Head to this section where you can trade Bitcoin with Paxful. Choose the token that you would like to trade. In this case, it's just going to be Bitcoin. Note that if you verify your account, as you can see right here, verify me, you will be able to access more and more tokens. Make sure that you choose buy. Make sure that you choose e-payment method, which is what we are looking for. Western Union. Choose the amount that you would like to spend. Note that the least amount is actually $10. I'm gonna go for the US dollar. Then I'm gonna put $15, for example. Before you trade with anyone, keep in mind that there's some stuff you'd like to know. First of all, the price is more than the price of the market so that the seller can make a profit with you. As you can see, one Bitcoin is currently equal to $21,483,000. They're selling it for $24,000, 10, 12, even 15% above market price. You can choose the information. You can choose the payment method. You can choose everything from those filters and then click find offers. Note that some sellers don't require any ID verification. For example, this seller requires an ID verification. To choose a person, click on buy. Try to search for someone that has somewhat decent trades. As you can see, this guy has a lot of positive feedbacks and literally zero negative feedback. Note that I will only get 13.39 USD worth of Bitcoin. All I have to do now is click on buy now and I will be good to go. That's it for today's video and goodbye.